Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Delta Squad. I will also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. As usual, I used Star Wars The Black Series figures by Hasbro. We've got Boss, Scorch, Sev, Fixer, and a bunch of beat-up B-1 battle droids. To begin my setup, I placed a dirty old baking sheet as my floor surface along with a bowl of water to submerge my little fog machine in. It's actually a humidifier for a terrarium, but it was cheaper than an actual fog machine, and atmosphere spray is weirdly expensive here in Canada. Next, I positioned Delta Squad on the baking sheet and littered the ground around them with their defeated foes. With the shot staged, I lit up a sparkler and got shooting. Remember to always keep a fire extinguisher handy whenever using sparklers indoors. On to editing. I was shooting with a fast shutter speed, so I needed to blend a few separate shots together to get all the special effects I wanted in one frame. I didn't want the sparks in the foreground so much as I wanted the reflection of them on my background TV. That way they looked kind of like crashing ships in the distance. With the shots blended, I added some adjustment layers to tweak the light levels, color balance, hue, and saturation. Then I cropped it just a bit to trim some of the wasted space around the edges. I used some layer effects and the brush tool to add a little bit of glow to the Commandos' visors. And lastly, I added a bit of blaster fire on Boss's gun. And here's the final image. Where we started, and where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.